Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to fix camera app opening when swiping from right to left in lock screen of iPhone or iPad devices. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me go to the lock screen, and now if I swipe from right to left, now you can see here camera application is opening. So in order to fix camera app opening from swiping from right to left in lock screen, what you need to do is just open the settings, and now you will see here camera option. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you will see here lock screen swipe to open camera. So by default this option will be turned on, so you need to disable it. Now you can just minimize it. Now let us move back to the lock screen. Now if I try to swipe from right to left again, so now you can see here the camera app is not opening. So finally we have fixed. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily fix camera app opening while swiping from right to left in lock screen of iPhone or iPad devices very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.